Hey, hello. Every time I teach a graphic recording training in Italy, I hear the same thing. I wish I could join, but Italy is too far. So this time I decided to flip the script. Instead of you coming to me, I'm coming to you. I'm launching a graphic recording training on tour, and the first stop will be Germany on Saturday, February 7th. The content will be exactly the same as the one I teach in Lecco, in Italy, a full day hands-on intensive training where you will not only learn the techniques of graphic recording, but also how to think visually in a more disruptive and metaphorical way. Because drawing ideas isn't just about visuals, it's about learning to see and explain things differently. We are currently considering two possible cities, Nuremberg or Munich, and the final location will be confirmed after the pre-sale. So here's how it works. If you join during the pre-sale, you will secure your spot at a special early price. And because the number of seats is limited, the pre-sale will be open only until Sunday, November 16th. And after that, the regular price will apply. Once the pre-sale closes, we'll choose the city based on where most on the number of participants, and then share all the practical details, of course. So if you've been waiting for an opportunity to experience this training live, this is it. Join the graphic recording training on tour, and I'll see you in Germany in February. You will find the pre-sale link below. Thank you.